Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the timeline. Place your keyed clip above the replacement plate, then create a fusion clip so you work non-destructively. Once in Fusion, add a delta keyer node immediately. This is the only tool I use for consistent results. Use the eyedropper to sample the dominant green or blue, make broad strokes rather than pixel-perfect picks. Then connect media in to delta keyer, and the keyer to media out so you see the initial matte, and can proceed to refine edges. Once you have the rough key, switch to the alpha view and clean up with a garbage mat. Draw one polygon around the subject to remove spilled floor or stands. Then use delta keyer's matte finesse controls. Increase clip black to remove noise, adjust clip white for translucency, and use e.g. 1 to 3 pixels of erosion or softness to tighten edges. Add a small blur for motion smoothing, and place a dispill or hue shift node to remove color contamination, so the subject reads natural on the plate. Finish by merging the keyed foreground onto your replacement plate and tweak color using lift/gamma/gain so skin tones and shadows match. This sells the composite. Once done, add a subtle light wrap from the background onto edges and enable motion blur for moving shots so transitions look natural. Render using a high-quality codec like ProRes 422 or DNxHR. If you see green fringe or a halo, increase dispill. Raise clip black slightly and reduce edge softness. This usually removes spill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.